My name is Ryan Meredith. I'm the technical drawing coordinator for Zipclip and worked here for 7 years. Versatility on site is important, especially for contractors. Our product can be used on any industry, whether it's domestic, commercial, industrial, anywhere that needs suspension. You can hang lighting, ductwork, air movement systems, tray, baskets, art exhibits, used by one system, which can do several different jobs at the same time. You don't want to have a van full of, say, threaded rod and accessories. You just need a box of wheel and a bag of clips, and that will do probably a week's worth of jobs. You can get on site, install what you need to, make it quick, efficient. It's not a one piece will do that, and you have to go buy a new piece for something else. There was a project I was working on where they were renovating a 16th century church. They wanted to have suspensions. My idea was, instead of drilling into the oak, which is already there, we're using a loop system. That way you're not damaging the existing building, and if it needs to be replaced, it can just be unhooked and reused elsewhere.